Hello everybody, it's me, Access Code Looter, with the second episode of the Python programming. I'm sorry I couldn't upload anything last week. My family came to visit last week, so I didn't have time in order to, work in this project. But now I'm alone again, so it's time for me to work. So we are here in the program number 5 of chapter um, 2. We're still in chapter 2. And in this program, we're going to know more about comments. Yes, comments in Python. So comments are notes of explanation that document lines or sections of a program. Comments are part of the program, but the Python interpreter ignores them. So it's not going to be compiled. So let's see a demonstration here from program 2.5. So this is a comment. You start in Python. You start with the pound sign. I will do the same thing again. We print shows you that Kate Austin hit run and it compiles. Super duper cool, huh? So comments are mostly done are used for like brief instructions of what the method or action in the program does. So the next programmer that comes in, has like a rough idea of what that things does and don't have to compile every time the program and figure it out by itself. Comments are good for making comments, making instructions, making notes to the next programmer. And of course, if we do another one over here, you can actually put comments whenever you want. So over here, display name. Address. Split city, state, zip code. Save, run, and you can see it's the same thing all over again. Alright, so now I think we got into the variables here. Let's see what we can do. Let's go with program. .7. So in this program, we're going to demonstrate, let me clear out the input right there. So room is equals to 5.3. So I am inputting the room a number. So basically what I'm doing is that I'm assigning a number to that word. So room now, instead of being a word, became a variable. Now it can change its properties. You can actually find it under IntelliSense. There you go. Now I'm staying in room 503. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful, beautiful. All right, in the next program, we're going to show two variables here. Top speed is 160, the distance traveled is 300. Here in program number 9, we're gonna input the entirety of the sentence in just one print. So for example, program room 503. I'm gonna print I am staying in room number and if you can see here, I'm staying in room number 503. Remember that the first time here, right here, we have to print in the next line, but in this line we actually can print in the same line as the other sentence. So it's pretty good methodology when you want to write sentences. This is pretty cool when you do, like, these are how you call it, rhythm-based RPGs to be like less clustered. Okay. Here. So variables are called variable because they can reference different values while a program is running. When you assign a value to a variable, the variable will reference that value until you assign it a different value. So what we're gonna do here is that thing. We're gonna create the program number 10. We reach program number 10. Okay. there you go. Let's put it in there. So you can see I have 2.75 in my account, but now I have 99.95 in my account. So we actually reassign that. That's what we call them variables, because their properties, their values changes, varies, right? So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So it's cool how you can manipulate the variables to your liking. Okay, so we are gonna reach a really cool program to 11 right here. So it's pretty cool here that they actually give a name to a document. I'm gonna put it in the comments. But now we can create a variable to reference to strings. First name, Catherine. I've never heard of that Catherine before, but whatever. Marino. Okay. First name, last name. Gonna clear out the output and let's go. Catherine Marino. See? Super easy, super good. Catherine Marino. So I like to read this verbatim so people can understand. Let me put it here actually, so we can read it together. Keep in mind that in Python, a variable is just a name that refers to a piece of data in memory. It is a mechanism that makes it easy for you, the programmer, to store and retrieve data. Internally, the Python interpreter keeps track of the variable names that you create and the pieces of data to which those variable names refer. Anytime you need to retrieve one of those pieces of data, you simply use a variable name that refers to it. A variable in Python can refer to items of any type. After a variable has been assigned an item of any type, it can be reassigned an item of a different type. To demonstrate, look at the following transitions. Right here, x is 99, print x 99, and then x taking me to your leader, print it. It's super easy. See, that's why we call them variables. Easy pizza. And we reached the checkpoint here, guys. I'm gonna copy and paste the checkpoint in the comments so you guys can actually do it. Super easy. What is a variable? Yeah, we reached the checkpoint, therefore we can finish this video for now. Guys, tell me, do you like this format of learning or learning together? It's actually good. It's actually bad. How do you like it? How do you like the setup that I'm using? Well, you can see my setup. For example, do you like that the keyboards are actually they are on the way of the mic, or the sound of the keyboard are the way of the mic? Tell me, guys, how do you like these? And yeah, see you guys next time for the next video. I'm gonna edit this, I'm going to upload this, and I'm going to put the checkpoint in the comment sections, in the in my comment section, so you guys can actually do it. So thank you very much, guys, bye bye.